group chơi số cùng mày bông bồn ở này cái chiếc video đặt nhung bàn từ đào lấy nơi khang phần bọc cô bông bồn ở này thì mình chơi những video này nhưng mà từ đòi bàn riêng tục có bàn thọt chỉ video là đòi mới từ video để trầm tới bông bồn ở này mình là video trong này trong nói khác đây là nhung bàn cắt nhưng mà đặt bây mình videoของในของ channel ចឹងបងប្អូនអរគុណអញ្ចឹងទស្សនានៅទេសភាពតាមដងផ្លូវដែលខ្ញុំបានជិះឡើងទៅលើភ្នំបូកគោទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទសូមអរគុណ
These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
បាទនៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើដំណើរអស់ប្រហែលជាម៉ោងជាងបងប្អូនបានឡើងមកដល់កន្លែងជាម៉ៅក៏ពួកខ្ញុំបានចូលទៅកន្លែងជាម៉ៅបន្តិចបើដើម្បីថតរូបហើយក៏ប្រហែលជាប្រហែលនាទីខ្ញុំក៏ចាប់ផ្ដើមបន្តដំណើរទៅចូលទៅច្រកខាងឋានសួគ៌បូកគោបងប្អូន
Riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me. I'm doing decently. Just glad that I can breathe. Yeah. I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this.
ហើយវីដេអូនេះដែរគឺមានន័យច្រើនបងប្អូនអរគ្នាដោយសារតែខ្ញុំពេលខ្ញុំទៅហ្នឹងទៅដល់ចិត្តមកចុះមកផ្ទះវិញហើយបាទខ្ញុំនឹកឃើញថាខ្ញុំផ្លេចថតវីដេអូអញ្ចឹងហើយក៏ដល់ពាក់កណ្ដាលនាទីហើយបានថតអញ្ចឹងក៏មានវីដេអូដែរមើលទៅត្រឹមត្រូវបងប្អូនអរគ្នាហើយបន្ទាប់ពីយើងចេញពីកន្លែងយីមកយើងបន្តដំណើរទៅចូលនៅច្រកខាងខ្លងទ្វារស្ថានសួគ៌បូកគោបងប្អូនអរគ្នាអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនសូមទស្សនានៅសកម្មភាពតាមផ្លូវនិងទេសភាពតាមផ្លូវទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមអរគុណបងប្អូន ยังไงบางคนเอาคนนี้เราไปในยมชีจัดดอลลาร์กลางครั้งทวีโจแต่กิดสละทานสุบุโกบางคนเอาคนนี้คือติดพิปฏิสารเป็นเต็มคือเราไปในยมลางมันนั่นคือปัจจัยสำคัญเป็นเต็มในบ้านชีฉลองกัดเมียนแอปเมียนไอช่างบางคนเอาคนนี้มือเตอร์ติดพิมือเตอร์สะอาดสรงโปร่งภายหลังคือติดจ้าบางคนเอาคนนี้จะสรุปลัดกระดาษประบาดไปให้วิดีโอหนึ่งนั้นคือโดยมีในจานบางคนเอาคนนี้สร้างแต่ยมลางเตอร์อัดบานทอดบานเชิญแต่บานแต่มันติดจังจะเรียบเรียบบางคนเอาคนนี้មានវីដេអូក្រោយទៀតបងប្អូនសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូននឹងពេញចិត្តជាងវីដេអូមួយនេះ